In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export GA4 data in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a marketer, analyst, or a small business owner, mastering the export function in Google Analytics 4 can unlock a treasure trove of data for deeper insights and better decision making. Don't worry if you're not tech savvy, I'll guide you through each step clearly and concisely. First things first, open up your web browser and navigate to Google. Here you'll see the familiar homepage you're probably used to. The next step is to locate and click the Sign In button, typically found in the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing the vast suite of Google services, including Google Analytics. After clicking Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Select the account you use for Google Analytics. This could be your personal account or one designated for your business. Enter your password to proceed. Remember, your password is the key to your account security, so keep it confidential and use strong, unique passwords for each of your online accounts. Once you've entered your password, click on Next. This action confirms your credentials and takes you into your Google account. Now, here's where we dive into the specifics of accessing Google Analytics. Look for the Google Apps icon, usually represented by a grid of dots in the top right corner near your profile picture. Clicking this icon will unveil a drop-down menu showcasing various Google services. From this array of options, select Google Analytics. It's your portal to understanding your website's performance through data. If you're managing multiple accounts or properties, make sure to navigate to the correct one associated with the data you wish to export. Now we're getting to the core part. Within Google Analytics, you need to access your reports. The interface might seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Look for the Reports section. This is where Google Analytics aggregates and displays your data in understandable formats. Clicking Reports will bring up an overview of your website's data, showcasing everything from user demographics to site performance metrics. Once in the Reports section, keep an eye out for the option to share this report. This functionality is invaluable for teamwork, allowing you to seamlessly share insights with colleagues or clients. But more importantly, for our purpose today, it opens the door to exporting your data. After selecting Share this report, you'll see various options for sharing, but our focus is on the Download File button. This is where Google Analytics allows you to export the data contained in the report you're viewing. Clicking this button will prompt you with a format selection for your download. For most users, downloading as a CSV file is the best option. CSV files can be opened with spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, making it easy to view, analyze, and manipulate your data. So go ahead and click on Download CSV. After selecting Download CSV, the file will automatically download to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, you might be asked to choose a download location, or the file will save to your default download folder, and there you have it. You've successfully exported data from Google Analytics 4. This file now contains the valuable insights from the report you were viewing, ready for you to analyze further, share with your team, or incorporate into your business strategies. Remember, the true value of data lies in its analysis and interpretation. Take your time to understand the metrics and how they relate to your goals, and don't hesitate to dive back into Google Analytics to export more reports as needed. With practice, you'll become more comfortable navigating the platform and uncovering the insights that can drive your business forward. That wraps up our tutorial on how to export GA4 data. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Keep experimenting with Google Analytics and uncovering new insights about your website's performance. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.